Welcome to the ChatPalAI training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your own AI assistant site. Go to the left menu and click on Manage Sites. Now you are in the Manage Sites section. Click on Create New Site option. Now enter your subdomain name. And your AI assistant site is ready. You can view your site. Now click on Manage Assistant. Now you are in the AI Assistant section. Click on Create New AI Assistant. Now fill in all the required details and click on Add. And your AI assistant is ready. Thanks for watching the video.